the Junior Small Group Contemporary. This is Strange Birds.
Little ghost, you're listening. Unlike most, you don't miss a thing. You see the truth. I walk the halls invisibly. I climb the walls, no one sees me. No one but you. You've always loved the strange birds. Now I want to fly into your world. I want to be heard. My wounded wings still beating. You've always loved the stranger inside me, ugly pretty. Oh, little ghost, you see the pain, but together we can make something beautiful. You've always loved the strange birds. Now I want to fly into your world. I want to be heard. My wounded wings still beating. You've always loved the stranger inside me, ugly pretty. You've always loved the strange birds. Now I want to fly into your world. I want to be heard.